Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And somebody was watching my scatter effect and they're getting this happening. I just learned about the scatter effect too, but evidently it is making a bitmap of it and it's got a bounding box. Well, when I do it with this person's page that sent it to me, I get the same effect. Now, if I back up here and do it big, so it's quite a bit bigger, and go to effects, creative, scatter. And if it's big, I get a little bit of that effect. You can see it square on the top. But if I take that same thing and make it smaller, the bounding box gets smaller too. Now, if I go to one that I've created from my page, and I go to effects, creative, and scatter, it does not do that. Now, it is still a bitmap effect, so they've got something set, and maybe somebody will chime in and knows more about it, because even if I take mine and make it small and do the effect and creative and scatter, it does not do that. You can see that mine is completely round. And it really, when it's small, it really makes it seem like it scatters more. So somebody else will maybe chime in, because this is a little bit puzzling. If I do a great big one in there on their page, and I always smart fill it, and then go to effects, creative, and scatter, it does that just a little bit on the corners. So I don't know. I will look into this and see if there's something that they could have it set in default that's making it not work correctly. Well, there's something right there. They've got the grid set. So I might make a part 3 if I figure that out. See the grid popping up? Where if we go to my page, I don't have a grid effect. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.